Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 11th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:08 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:20 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, brilliant Venus is in the southeastern sky before sunrise. It rises 3 hours, 31 minutes before the sun. It is rising later each morning compared to daybreak. During the next week it loses 10 minutes of rising time compared to sunrise. By 45 minutes before sunup, the planet is 25 degrees above the horizon. It is regularly the third brightest celestial object, after the sun and moon. It is easily mistaken for an airplane or an unworldly body. This morning the planet is 14.4 degrees to the lower left of Spica, Virgo's brightest star, and 7.6 degrees to the upper right of Zub el Janubi, meaning the southern claw, that is about the brightness of the Big Dipper's stars. Venus continues to widen the gap to Spica and close on Zub el Janubi. It passes the second star in 6 mornings. Use a binocular to look for the razor-thin moon, 3% illuminated, less than 4 degrees above the horizon. With the binocular look for Chuba, the scorpion's forehead or crown, and Graphias, meaning the crab, to the moon's upper left. This observation is fairly easy with a binocular and an unobstructed horizon. The moon reaches the new moon phase tomorrow at 5:32 p.m. CST. Mars continues a slow climb into the eastern pre-dawn sky, rising only 30 minutes before the sun. In the evening sky, Mercury is beginning to retreat into bright twilight and dimming as it overtakes our planet. During the next week, it loses over 30 minutes of setting time compared to sunset. It passes between Earth and the Sun on the 22nd. At 30 minutes after sundown, the speedy planet is over 10 degrees up in the southwest. 30 minutes later, it is over 6 degrees above the horizon. At this level of twilight, a binocular is needed to see it. An hour after sunset, Saturn is over 35 degrees above the southern horizon. The planet is slowly trekking eastward against Aquarius, 10.3 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii, 9.9 degrees to the upper right of Skate, and 7.9 degrees to the upper right of Deneb Algedi. At this hour bright Jupiter is nearly 40 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. It is brighter than all the star-like bodies in the sky this evening. The planet is retrograding in front of Aries, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hamel, the Ram's brightest star, and 14.1 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, the sea monster's nostril. Jupiter's retrograde, apparent westward motion against the distant starfield, ends later this month. Saturn sets in the west-southwest before midnight, less than 6 hours after nightfall. Jupiter is south about an hour before Saturn sets. The Jovian giant sets early tomorrow morning before Venus rises. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.